you caught our last video, then you already know how to set up and get started in ArchiCAD. Today, we've got another insider tip for beginners. We're going to talk about shortcut keys. Shortcuts are designed to streamline your workflow by providing quick access to frequently used commands. This, of course, reduces the time and clicks required to perform specific tasks, which increase your overall efficiency. Now, to set up shortcut keys in ArchiCAD, head to Options, choose Work Environment, and then select Keyboard Shortcuts. Scroll down to the current menu structure and choose the keys for your shortcuts. Scroll down to the Edit drop-down and select Trim and Intersect under the Reshape tab. Here, I'm gonna assign K for Trim and V for Intersect. After assigning these keys, apply them to your project and you can check if the shortcuts are working. And it's as simple as that. You can assign more shortcut keys in ArchiCAD by following these steps. You can also add Shift or any modifier keys as a shortcut, whichever makes your workflow efficient.
Feel free to reach out to us if you need production drafting at mgsglobalgroup.com. Don't forget to subscribe.